कि एक जन आंदोलन, प्रदेश स्तरीय जन आंदोलन हर प्रदेश हेडक्वार्टर पर किया जाएगा, जिसे किसान अधिकार दिवस का 15 जनवरी को हमने नाम दिया।
The Congress party announced that it will observe Kisan Adhikar Divas on January 15 amid the ongoing farmers' protest at the borders of Delhi. The event will be held on the next date of talks between the government and protesting farmer unions. Announcing the day's plan, Congress spokesperson Randeep Surjewala said that party workers will hold Jan Andolans at all state headquarters. Congress will also hold protest marches across the country and gherav the governor's office in every state. Addressing a press conference on Saturday, Surjewala said, Congress chief Sonia Gandhi has decided that in support of agitating farmers, the party will organize Kisan Adhikar Divas in its offices and will also gherav the Raj Bhavans in the state headquarters on January 15.
देश का एक एक नागरिक, 130 करोड़ नागरिक इस बात के लिए बाध्य हैं, उनका कर्तव्य है कि वो देश के किसानों के साथ खड़े हो जाएं, और इसलिए निर्णय किया है कि एक जन आंदोलन, प्रदेश स्तरीय जन आंदोलन हर प्रदेश हेडक्वार्टर पर किया जाएगा, जिसे किसान अधिकार दिवस का 15 जनवरी को हमने नाम दिया।
Questioning why the government has now decided that the deadlock with farmers will be broken through a decision in the Supreme Court, Surjewala said, people have elected this government and not the Supreme Court. Then why does the government want people to go elsewhere?
कमाल ये भी है कि 73 साल में पहली बार देश में ऐसी सरकार है जो अपनी जिम्मेदारी से पीछा छुड़ाकर किसानों को कहती है तुम सुप्रीम कोर्ट चले जाओ। सरकार को जनता ने चुना है, सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने नहीं। किसानों ने चुना है, सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने नहीं। फिर उसी जनता और अन्नदाता को सरकार कहीं और क्यों भेजना चाहती है? क्या मोदी जी जवाब देंगे? ये तीनों विवादास्पद काले कृषि कानून सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने नहीं बनाए, जबरन प्रजातंत्र का अपहरण कर देश की संसद में मोदी सरकार ने बनाए।
The Congress party has time and again slammed the union government over the farm laws. Earlier, Congress leader Rahul Gandhi alleged that the Bharatiya Janata Party is anti-farmers while Congress works towards the betterment. He said Congress will fight with the farmers to get the 3 farm laws repealed. Earlier on January 8, the central government and the farmer unions held the 8th round of talks at the Vigyan Bhavan. The talks, however, remained inconclusive as the government told the farmer unions that it can't and won't repeal the farm laws the farmers are protesting against. Several rounds of talks between the two sides held earlier have failed to resolve the deadlock, with the government firm the laws won't be repealed. While the farmers are adamant on a complete rollback, thousands of farmers have been camping at border points in Delhi and neighbouring states since November 26. The next round of discussions will be held on January 15.